Hi guys, in today's lesson we are going to make a simple card model of a box. You will need to use some card. You can use corrugated card, card sheet, card box, cereal boxes, whatever you find available. Some of the equipment that you need is a cutting mat, steel ruler, safety rule, pencil, craft knife, scissors, masking tape, glue, double-sided sticky, and a glue gun. For this model, I'll be using corrugated card. I'll be using these lines for my folds. The first thing to do is draw a small sketch of the template that you want to cut out. Now there's two ways of making this. Either you can have a template or you can cut out individual pieces. It's much easier if you can make a template than to make individual pieces. Step one is to mark out. So I'm going to use this fold as my fold and mark from the top of the ruler from here. Once you've marked out, don't forget to create the tabs. Use a cutting mat. Once you've cut this out, you need to fold this into shape. Right, so you've got these tabs that need to be folded in. Right, this line here, use a ruler and you score the line. Once you've scored your design, the last step is to glue using either glue gun, Yoo-hoo glue. You could possibly use masking tape to hold the sides together whilst gluing, or double-sided sticky. So I'm going to use one method for each side. Let's start off with double-sided sticky. Turn the box over. Place the tape on the joint. Craft knife to cut this off. This is very strong, very easy to do. Same double-sided sticky you could use on the other side. You could use Yoo-hoo glue. Press and hold. Keep it in place. Last method is to use glue gun on the edge. So this one, not as good. Worked well. Out of the three methods used, the glue gun was the best adhesive for model making, followed by Yoo-hoo and then double-sided sticky. Now double-sided sticky is good if you're adding graphics onto your design.